Hi. In this video, we will quickly tell you about PipeDrive Sales Software. Sales tools, such as email and spreadsheets, are only a baseline. You need more sophisticated solutions to consistently drive sales. Sales pipeline and deals. PipeDrive's features allow you to add deals, track their value and win probability, and create pipelines for each stage of your sales cycle. You can also customize the stages to accommodate your sales process. Colored cues will help you identify deals that are about to go cold so you can start taking action. Automation. Most salespeople spend a lot of time performing manual tasks in order to close deals. One of the most common reasons why salespeople spend a lot of time performing manual tasks is due to the lack of automation. With the help of sales software, such as PipeDrive, they can automate various aspects of their sales process. This eliminates the need for manual work and allows them to focus on high-priority tasks. Insights and reporting. It's also very common for salespeople to miss out on important reports and insights when they use spreadsheets. One of the most critical factors that a sales software should consider is providing actionable insight. With the help of PipeDrive, you can create reports and dashboards that are designed to help you identify winning patterns and bottlenecks. You can also keep track of all of your key performance indicators, KPIs, and reports in one place. Email and communication tracking. Salespeople tend to get overwhelmed by the variety of communication tools that are available to them, especially when they're working with a team. One of the most important factors that a sales software should consider is providing robust communication and email tracking capabilities. With the help of PipeDrive, you can easily access and manage all of your communication and email needs. Thank you. I hope that information helps. If you would like to learn more about that software for your business, please click on the link in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, and have a great day. Bye.